everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today we will learn one of the most basic concepts of any programming. It's called variables. And to understand this, we will use the same code that we used last time. You got it right. It's the code that prints the current time. As we said last time, you don't need to memorize anything to write such a code. Here, we just need the current time, right? So all we gotta do is go to a Python document and find out the command for current time. We will see that the command is datetime.now. So here, we need to print the time, and for that, we also need the print command. Let me show you how to put these two things together. First, we click on plus code. A code section would open. We type print parentheses datetime.now. Click and see the output is already there in the down section. That's the year, month, date, and also in time, hours, minutes, seconds, and microseconds. We are almost there, so don't just hang up yet. We only need hour, minute, second here, and not the other fields. So to do that, you gotta find out the command again, and that is strf time. We will add the command now. datetime.now dot strf time parentheses quotation mark %h colon %m colon %s, that is hours, minutes, seconds. We click and we will get our hours, minutes and seconds. Here we go. Alright. There is one amazing point to remember here. Everything we did in our previous episode to learn the hello time code can just be done by the single line of code. Now, you might ask, then why did we write so many lines of code last time? Before telling you the answer, let me run another code. We would copy the same command as before. We remove the R, so it would be print datetime.now dot strf time %m colon %s. That's all. Click to run the code and see the output. Can you see the seconds are different than the previous time? That's because we have been talking continuously since then, and therefore the time would be different now. Right? But what if we are in a situation where we need to get the minute and seconds from this time, 10 hours 35 minutes 2 seconds? For that, we need to store the output from the now command in a new location. And then in the first print, we need to take hours, minutes, seconds, and in the second, we need minutes and seconds from the same output location. So here we go. Plus code. Let's copy this much from the previous section of the code. We will just type the underscore time equals datetime.now parentheses. And now we need to do second print. For the first print, we type the underscore time and the things we want to extract. So it would be something like print parentheses the underscore time dot strf time parentheses quotation marks %h colon %m colon %s. For the second print, we type again print parenthesis the underscore time dot strf time parenthesis quotation mark %m colon %s. Basically, we don't need R here, so we'll skip that. So let's recap. datetime.now is the command which gives the current time and we store that in a location. We name it the underscore time. We can name anything we want. This is called a variable. And this is how we store output of anything into a named location. You can now refer to this location for your subsequent code. For example, in the first print, we are referring to the time location and extracting hours, minutes, seconds from it. For the second print, we refer to the same location and extract only minutes and seconds. Let's see how this is working now. So now we click. You can see a green tick sign to know that our code is done. The output of the now command is stored in the location the underscore time. Now we click the first print and we see the extracted hours, minutes, seconds here. Now we click the second print. You might think it will print different seconds because some time has passed since the first print. But here it would print the same minutes and seconds. See? It's the same time. This is because we are referring to the same store location here, the underscore time. That's all for today. Let us know in the comment section if you have any doubts. I'll see you soon. Till then, happy coding! Ciao!